Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. And here is professional story banner. Second name is vertical banner. These are PSD for Photoshop user and these are protected. Password in my app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime. You can edit or you can modify it in any design like a sail, or you can use simply multi-purpose. Okay, here is you can use as a photo collage. Here is just your background. Here you can import 3 images and your detail. And here is 2016, but you can write now 2022. Here is a sale offer. Go to layer, replace your image, and here is background color. Select background color, your same color of your logo, or depend your own choice. White is better. Okay, we need image, double click, and we need a portrait image, but I will try this. We need a save image, but I use this Ctrl S for saving. Wow, but you can adjust your own image in this area. No. Same here. Import 3 images, one here, second. You can increase size. Reflection 2000 2020. In these templates are old, but you can write now here. Total file is 95. Where can we talk? Okay, we can talk on WhatsApp. Promo sale product, motivational saying. Just you need a background photo. Import your photo like this one, low resolution. Enter. Wow, amazing. Now creative studio, we need a studio photo. You can change color. Sorry, you can apply gradients overlay. We need image. Drag there on this circle and right click, create clipping mask our photo in this area. Okay, I know you can do more better. Password in this app. Go to Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Take care. Allah Hafiz.